Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a grade adjustment assignment. And this is something you might want to do if you wanted to boost your entire class by a couple points. Maybe you had a bad question in a test or an exam and you feel like, I want to give everyone an extra point to make up for that. Or for whatever reason, you just want to boost their grade a little bit. The hard way to do this would be to go in the grade book and, for instance, let's say it was this assignment that had the bad question in it. You could physically click on their scores, do a little math, and then add the points this way. But if you have a ton of students, it's a bit of a pain to do it this way. So this is an alternative workaround. We're going to actually create an assignment. So I'm going to go to assignments. Click plus assignment here, and we're going to create a new assignment. We're just going to call this grade adjustment, and if you want to be specific, you could write for quiz 1, or for whatever reason you wanted to give them a little boost. In the instructions, as long as the title kind of explains what it is, I don't think you need to put instructions in here, but some instructors like to do that. A little more explanation. So under point value, you want to do 0.01 because it needs a point value, but we don't want it to be any significant point value that'll mess up our final point total at the end of the year or at the end of the semester. So this one's 0.01, same way you would do extra credit. And then down here under submission type, you want to make sure it's set to no submission. Students aren't going to submit anything. This is just bookkeeping type thing. And under at the bottom, assign, you want to make sure it says assign to everyone. And on the until date, you're going to click on the calendar and you're going to backdate it. So today is the 14th. I'm going to make the until date the 13th. And the reason I'm doing that is because I don't want this isn't like a real assignment, so I don't want this to pop up on the students' to-do list and confuse them even further. Like, what is this? You know. So you backdate it. Then you click Save and Publish. And for me, the easiest way to do this is to click on SpeedGrader. And you're going to go through your students and give them each however many points you want to award them for whatever it is. So I'm going to say I had a 1-point question that I made the mistake on as the instructor. I'm going to give everyone a point, so I'm going to click in there under grade, put a 1 in there, and then click this little arrow to my next student and just repeat this process for my whole class. And apparently I've heard that Canvas is going to come out with a new gradebook that's going to allow you to do this with just a couple clicks, so you won't have to do this workaround. But until then, this is, for me at least, the easiest way to do this, to kind of award these grade adjustment points, bonus points, extra credit points. It's all kind of the same process here. So all my students now have a 1 in there, and if you go to the grade book, you'll see, if we scroll over, there it is, grade adjustment for quiz 1. So that's it. So now all the students that complained about my bad question, I gave them all a point, and because it's out of 0.01, it's 1. It's a true bonus point. It's not going to affect their total at the end. Thanks for watching.